So we've got here the new QUIKCORE. So we've got the traditional, as we all know, chuck, and that's how they all come together, screwed. And as we all know, it's a nightmare to get them back off. And have all sorts of, things to prise them back off. But apparently, these new QUIKCOREs have this little pin that stops them needing that. So we're gonna have a quick look at it, get it all set up, drill a hole, and see what a difference it makes. You alright guys, Dan here from SIA Property Services. I'm just doing a quick review for expert trades on the QUIKCORE. I know that's the wrong way around because it's got front facing camera, but yeah, it's the QUIKCORE drill adapter for your core bits. So what we have is the adapter into your existing core bits. Then we have the, got to pick the right one, that's the adapter the other way. So that slides in, aligns up, you have your little split pin that will go through, hold your drill bit in, and then onto that is your existing chuck. And then just put it in place and we're good to go. So yeah, I'm going to whip a quick hole in and I'll get back to you in a second and we'll see how easy it is to release afterwards. Right, so just gone through, you can see that was a nice new drill bit. All that paint pulled off it, but now just pop the pin out and off we go onto your next hole. The course came out the other side, so there's no need to knock out, but you do have a knockout pin for knocking the old piece out. But yeah, all in, does make it quick. Gonna need a few adapters if you use different sizes regularly. I don't particularly, so probably 2 adapters would do it for me. But yeah, makes what it says on the tin, QUIKCORE. So, and then I'll be good to go then. So yeah, I can see it making life a little bit quicker. It is another little setup, that's the only sort of downside to it. It's another little setup to get a few of them for your different core bits if you do, like I say, use different ones regularly. But if you're just mainly on 4 inches, if you're a plumber doing boilers and you've got 4-inch setup all the time, makes yeah, does make life a little bit quicker. Cool. Cheers Expert Trades for setting me up with these, and we'll keep using them and keep you informed how we get on going forward. Cheers.